What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is the best money in credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and the Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey. What to do, my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members. And we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop these videos and y'all get them notifications, there's going to be some information that's going to help you win, all right? And in today's video, we're going to be talking about business credit and business credit funding, all right? How you can start getting your new small startup business off the ground, start getting funding with bad credit. Now, a lot of people don't understand credit. A lot of people are starting to figure out credit. A lot of people are starting to learn about credit. A lot of people are starting to realize and see how important credit is on the personal and on the business side. Credit can help you when you need it. Credit can help you save money and make money at the same time. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about business credit, how to start business credit, how to start structuring your business credit profile and building your business credit, and where you can go to start getting some type of funding with bad credit. All right. So with that being said, let's get into these gems that's gonna help you win. All right. So when it comes to business credit, business funding, there are two ways to utilize it or to build it. You can build business credit from the ground up without having to utilize your personal credit, or you can utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor towards your business credit and start getting funding. Now, people who already have good credit and they start their business, that's mainly what people do. They build their personal credit because personal credit is where it starts, and you need a decent personal credit profile, and they utilize that towards their business to start getting funding faster. But some people don't want to. Some people don't, and they build their business credit from the ground up. So building your business credit from the ground up is also possible. Getting a business email, a business number, a business address, getting the register with the public records through the Better Business Bureau. Make sure you have a business bank account, checking and savings with a smaller bank or credit union, because those help new small startup businesses and people with bad credit. They're more for the people. Then you got to structure your business the right way. So you got to get your Dun and Bradstreet, because that's going to allow you to start tracking all your business credit scores. Then you want to start getting business trade lines. So you got the NAV Business Credit Builder trade line. Then you have Credit Strong that offers business credit trade lines, and then you have, just like personal, you have business secured in business secured credit cards and secured loans utilizing your own money as collateral. And then you also have net 30s. Those are business credit trade lines also that will improve your pay deck score. All right. So understanding those things right there will help you. And a lot of people start these LLCs and EIA numbers, and they use their home address, they use their cell phone numbers, they use things that's connected to their personal, and you don't want to use anything that's connected to your personal. You want to separate the two entities, because your business is a new entity. Your EIN number is your business social security number. So that's what people got to start understanding. So, my toe. So you need at least a pay that score 80 or better, and it's not hard to get a pay that score 80 or better and the pay net score that you need. Those trade lines that you added will build every credit profile or every credit score on your business credit. And then also secured loans and secured credit cards will also build your credit limit on your business credit. Now, there are different types of loans out there. There are revenue-based loans and there are credit-based loans. Credit-based loans are basically loans that they go off your credit score. Revenue-based loans are basically are loans that they go off your revenue that you generate off your bank statements. A lot of people look for revenue-based loans for a lot of different reasons. So by there being revenue-based loans and all you need is documentation, a lot of people, and this goes back to the CPN thing. A lot of people utilize business credit. When I be telling y'all about how people are utilizing CPNs and credit to get businesses and loans and credit cards, they understand that revenue-based loans are only, you only need documentations, and as long as you are bringing in enough money, that bank lender or group will fund your business. And we all know people can get whatever piece of document that they want to say, whatever that they needed to say, and people are getting approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit on a daily basis with these type of documentation, synthetic documentations. So people are building CPNs, credit profile numbers, building businesses on them, and getting revenue-based loans because it's easier. Now there are different type of revenue-based loans that are out there that people can get, and a lot of different banks offer revenue-based loans. Now, when you hear people say new small startup business, no documentation loan, people hear that and they are under the impression that you can get this loan with no documentation. Like, here, I got a business, let me get $50,000. No, a no doc loan is basically a loan that's going off your business credit profile, your credit score, not your revenue. Business revenue, revenue-based business loans go based off your revenue, not your credit score. So people hear these no doc loans and I want to get that, not understanding the logistics of a no doc loan. This is meaning that they're going to go off your business credit. And some people don't get approved because their business credit profile is not where it needs to be, nor their personal credit profile. So they can't even utilize their personal credit as a personal guarantor towards their business. And this is the information, the knowledge, and the resources that people need. Because if you didn't know this and you try to go get approved for loans, now you just putting inquiries and things on your credit profile that you don't need to be there. So information, knowledge, and resources is definitely important when it comes to getting funded, because if you already know what to do, you would cut out all the mistakes, do everything right, and it'll help you get approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. So in today's video, we will be talking about Velocity Capital Group. And Velocity Capital Group offers a revenue-based loan for a couple $1,000,000. And if you have a business, you're looking to get funding, they can help you, right? So revenue-based financing, y'all see that right there, revenue-based financing, a near instant influx of capital. Available at a moment notice, our team will walk you through the steps to obtaining a revenue-based financing so that your business has capital within 24 hours of the request. Funding requirements: 3 months of recent bank statements, like I told you guys, minimum $20,000 in monthly revenue, and a 500 FICO score. Bad credit. Everybody got at least well, not everybody, but most people got at least a 500 FICO score. So complete your online application and send us your business documents. Our team will review your file, look at the best solution possible for your business, accept the offer, and receive funds same day for use or your business. So document requirements. So getting started is simple. All we ask is 3 months bank statements and our completed application to get started. After our team has reviewed your application options with our network, they reply with an approved amount. So addition to submission requirements, so driver's license and a voided check. So if you have a business bank account, you can get a voided check, and most people have a driver's license. So these are the industries that they work with, all right here. I'm not going to read them all, but it's a lot of them. And they are working. They're helping people get the funding that they need, just based off the revenue base, and meaning that what they make on paper, right? And like I said, people get documentations that they need on a daily basis to say whatever they need to say on a daily basis to get approved for different type of loans, credit cards, lines of credit, right? So small business loan, people out there that's looking to improve their business, get funding, make sure you guys are building your business credit profiles the right way. You are establishing your credit the right way before you try to get funding, because it'll help you in the long run. All right. So shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems are $1,000. but for limited time only, I am doing it for 600. Yes, 600 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the webinars Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. 250, 10 seats available. We're gonna talk about anything and everything y'all want to talk about, from personal credit, business credit, investing, real estate, wholesaling, passive income, you name it. All right, life problems, situations, whatever. We're gonna talk about it all. In these videos, webinars will end up on my podcast channel. So make sure you guys are tapped in, ready to work, and have some very intellectual and professional conversations. All right. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat on the crypto tour in person limited gyms 3,500. Make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the month-long mentorship 2,500 30 days. Anything you need help with, let's get to work. Make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato app. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman, women, gamers, streamers, and content creators. Make sure y'all checking out all my YouTube channels and my Twitch and my IG. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. And make sure y'all checking out my music channel because I just dropped my music channel. Just dropped a new mixtape, Hussle and Flow, new music videos, and a new single. So make sure y'all go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, comments, and them likes up. All right. And with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace.